come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me, me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, what's up, what's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi, aka Defi bully. I'm here with another banger, a banger. This one's very special, people. This is WinBinary. WinBinary. There's 5 different possible ways to make money off of this platform, so you don't want to miss this one. Okay, but before I even go deeper into these, because one of them is this thing that was on the screen right now. If you know anything about Crash, you know about, yeah, that's one of the streams. But before I go deeper into those, please head over to that YouTube channel. Y'all know the vibes. You know you got to do. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Excuse me. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell, because notification bell NASA. And then like this video. And after you like the video, marry the video. You know the vibes. So there was actually a pre-sale going on, and the pre-sale has actually ended before it reached the hard cap. That being said, if you head over to the Telegram group, it shows right here, there was a notice yesterday. It said, "Hello, fellow WinBinarians. We just want to update everybody concerning the ongoing private sale and upcoming pre-sales. Due to the market situation, it seems that a hard cap won't be met." Okay. We decided to call whatever has been raised as our soft cap and push the launch back 1 extra week to market like crazy. We're going to give everyone who had missed the private sale a chance with a whitelist pre-sale to commence the 15th, which is tomorrow from this video. So July 15th. It will run for 1 week. A launch will be done on the 25th of July at 8 p.m. Eastern. 25th of July, 8 p.m. Eastern will be the official launch. Okay? Our hope is that the market will rally by then, and we're beyond excited to share this with you guys, show you guys what we built. Stay tuned on YouTube for a demo in the near future. All right. So you guys can go to the Telegram group right here. There's 2,700 people in there. It's growing like wildfire. Now back to the main event, the WinBinary. Okay, so this game right here, if you guys know anything about Crash, they had one on Ethereum. I believe they had I mean, if you're a gamble head, if you've been to if you like to gamble, you probably came across this. You pretty much just place a bet, or you place where you want it to stop, and if it, yeah, all right, in this example, the rocket ship goes up. As it's going up, you can press stop and collect whatever money, or you can let it keep on going and growing in money and growing in value. But at some point, it's gonna crash. It's gonna crash into one of these planets or moons or whatever it crashes into, and you don't win anything. So the object is to come out before you crash. So that's one of the ways that you can make money on WinBinary. Also, they will have a miner. I believe this miner pays 8% a day. They utilize referrals. We all familiar with the miner protocols and those type of things. So that's another way you can make money on this platform. That's the second way. They also have the last buy jackpot. So the last one to make a purchase within a certain amount of time left, they will receive some type of reward. Okay. And then also, one of the major things that I'm very bullish about on this platform is the fact that you could do peer-to-peer bets. You could bet with anyone. Someone could take out your bet, they could decline it, they could do whatever, but you could bet on sports, you could bet on events, you could bet on whatever your heart desires. And there's no house, so everything is done between peer-to-peer. Okay, see, they have live casinos, recent trades, WinBet games. Like, these things is getting, it's not officially out as yet, obviously, because the launch is not till the 25th. But just look at this. This is beautiful. This looks crazy, actually, if you ask me. So that's the third way you can make some type of income on this platform. And then you have, I say third. That's the fourth way, sorry. And then they have the options trading, which is coming soon. So anybody that's familiar with options trading, I believe PancakeSwap has a version. KuCoin has their own version as well. It's just you bet whether the price of a token goes up or down. So you can make money in a bear market, bull market, whatever. Okay, so WinBinary, people. I don't want this video to go on forever. I'm gonna have the links for everything down below. Okay, you are paid out in BUSD. You can see they have their own swap and everything right here. I'm gonna do a quick overview on this whitelist and then show you guys what's going on. All right, so right here is the WinB token. Okay, WinBinary token. It's a utility token to profit sharing and stakeholding. The WinBinary token or WinB token acquires value due to the possibility of receiving dividends, which increases the interest and demand for this asset. WinB token is a Binance Smart Chain based utility token created on WinBinary platform actions. Okay, with max supply of 50 million tokens. WinB tokens is a means of exchange within the platform and has multiple applications like staking. By staking, users can have the opportunity to gain platform profits or dividends. Also, in-game currency for betting and payouts. Okay, the rewards for participating in WinBinary game ecosystem, trading, betting, gambling, cash back, sold or exchanged in other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Okay, WinBinary is a proof of gameplay reward mechanism aiming to revolutionize the online gaming industry. Users are rewarded for their time playing. Okay, while game developers grow their gaming and gambling community, earn crypto and get help from adherent services. Everyone wins. Everyone wins. Okay. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, but I've been seeing like a trend go on in like this DeFi world lately. People want to bet. People want to gamble. People want to maximize their profits. And this hopefully will be one of the first ones to actually successfully do it. When it comes to the sports betting, the peer-to-peer betting, it's something I've been waiting for a while. And I'm sure that WinBinary would do a good job getting it out there to the people. Okay. So we all bullish on this. Okay. Market prospects. Gambling and gaming are two of the world's most popular forms of entertainment. The global casino gaming market size is projected to reach 191,620 million by 2027. Okay. From 131 million in 2020. Okay. At a CAGR of 5.5% during the 2021 to 2027, the gaming industry already brings in more money than North American sports and movies combined, which is crazy if y'all imagine that. And we all know how big movies and sports are in America. Come on now, let's be honest. So the fact that everything is going digital, I just wanted to cover a little short part of that to show you guys just the prospects and how everything is growing in this ecosystem, in this world. And the fact that they're trying to take steps to jump on this early, people, you want to make sure you're on it early as well. Okay. They're trying to innovate virtual reality, artificial intelligence, all these type of things, which is very bullish news, people. Y'all see what happened with Facebook changing their name to Meta. Everybody sees what's going on in the world. They're trying to take advantage of it. And I'm glad to see that WinBinary is taking a step forward to take advantage of that as well. Now, people, like I said, I'm very bullish on this, and I think it'll be a good opportunity for people to get a lot of means of passive income through this. Let's get back to this original page. All right. Like I said, look at that. The page looking beautiful. You guys can make sure you guys join the Telegram group down below if you want one-on-one with me. I'll also keep my group up to date. The Bullpen Millionaires link for that will be down below. All right, people. Remember, the 15th is going to be another pre-sale, and the official launch is being pushed out a week after that. Okay, so July 25th, the official launch will be here. WinBinary. I'm bullish on it. Let's make some money. Let's gamble, but let's do it in the right way. And remember, people, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.